up, YouTube? It's your girl LexUpNext, and I'm back with another video. So I didn't get to record no intro because actually I forgot to do it once I was done with my wig. But this video, I'm gonna just give y'all a little talk through tutorial on how I installed my 30-inch lace frontal wig. Okay, I just lied. It's not a frontal. It is a closure. My bad, y'all. But yeah, so it's a lace closure wig, not a frontal because it don't go all the way across. But I pre-plucked it already and I bleached the knots. And y'all, this the best I ever plucked and bleached a lace. I usually don't pluck a lot because I be scared I'm gonna over pluck it. But when you pluck a wig and you pluck it enough, it make it look real natural. And that's kind of how it looks now. I mean, it's not glued down yet. But anyway, if y'all need a tutorial on how to pluck and bleach your knots, I'm pretty sure you can search it up on YouTube and find somebody to learn how to do it. I'm still practicing. I'm not a pro, so here we go. So first off, I already, did the cap method. So right now on this part of the video, I am putting the glue down and I'm using, I believe that's Ghost Bond. And I put one layer down and I began to smooth it out. So you want to smooth it out and you want to smooth it really, really good. So if you got a popsicle stick, that would work really good. Or something like this comb thingy that I have. And you want to make sure it's really smooth. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just smoothing the glue out. And then you're going to see me go in with a little more. And I'm just trying to get that first layer of glue really even. Because you just want it really even when you place your lace down on it. You don't want it too thick or nothing like that. And as y'all see, I like to bring my wig up a little further than my actual hairline because my hairline is made weird. So I kind of like bring it up to where the sides of my hairline start rather than the middle of my hairline. So yeah, now I'm about to put that extra glue that I was telling y'all about. I'm just trying to make it even, clean, nice layer. So I'm about to just smooth that on there too because it was kind of patchy the first time when I put it on, so I wanted to put a little extra more glue on there, so that's not necessarily the second layer. I'm still working on the first layer. So y'all want to and right here I'm still working on the first layer. I'm just trying to make sure that layer of glue is really even. Like I said, I'm not a professional, y'all, but the way this wig came out, you would have thought I was one. So get into it. So yeah, I'm right here. I'm just smoothing that still. Okay, so now you want to take your dryer and you want to dry the glue down to it's not white anymore. And I had to learn this the hard way because I usually dry it, but I be scared to dry it all the way because I be thinking it's not gonna stick. Y'all make sure y'all dry y'all glue to where it's not white anymore. That makes a world of a difference because it doesn't come through the lace white and sticky and icky. So right here I'm just lining up the wig where I want it to start. Y'all see I had to cut some of that forehead off because and I'm just pressing the ends in and making sure it's super tight. I'm just holding it down a little bit to let it marinate and melt into that glue that I put down. The wig, and this wig is kind of small on my head, so I kind of had to like pull it up really good, and the back had to kind of be up a little bit just so the front could reach the front of my head. But yeah, y'all could already tell like the lace is blending. It's really blending, and it just mainly depends on the way you pluck the hairline. So right here I'm just taking my comb and pressing it in just to make sure that the lace is really in that glue. Another reason you want to wait till your glue turns clear. Did I say clear or white when I was talking earlier? You want to make sure your glue turns clear where you can't see the whiteness anymore. That way you can rub the comb over it like the way I'm doing it, because if the glue comes through the lace and it's still white, I tried doing this and it made it even whiter. Like, so make sure your glue dries down. Now right here, I'm just going back and touching up any area that needed a little extra glue, where the lace didn't catch the glue that I put down. So you just take the tip of a comb, nothing major. Put the little glue up under that piece and you just press it in. Lace is giving. Do not play with me. Y'all see chin check, chin check. If y'all haven't seen my other videos when I got the lipo in my chin, make sure y'all go check those videos out. That's why I was looking at my chin like that. Now I'm taking a elastic band. Don't ask me why is it white. I couldn't find a black one in the fabric area of Walmart. So they had white. And I needed an elastic band. So we just made it do what it do. So you just want to tie that around the edges of your wig so your lace can melt even more. And I'm just going to brush through my wig. I'm not doing no major hairstyle. I barely flat ironed it. I just ran the flat iron through it a little bit. And y'all going to see me do that. Because I just didn't feel like flat ironing it. You know, I just really wanted to style it. And I didn't feel like flat ironing it while I was doing this video. It got like a little natural poof to it. It's really cute. It was a really, really, really cute wig. It's one of my favorite wigs, actually, y'all. So right here, this is where I'm running the flat iron through it. Like I said, I'm not really flat ironing it. I'm just kind of running it through it. If I was actually flat ironing it bone straight, I would have, you know, parted it in smaller sections and took the comb and chased the flat iron. But I just didn't feel like doing all of that right now. So this is what we got here. Y'all make sure y'all follow me on my Instagram. Go follow my business page at LexUpNext, and make sure y'all follow me on my personal page. I just started back being active on my personal page. I will be on there more. And my personal page is I am Alexis Monet. That is I am ALEXISMONEE. Make sure y'all go follow my personal page. I really want to be a content creator and a makeup artist. So my personal page is going to be content, like, you know, of me. And my business page is going to be my makeup content and my clients. Right here, y'all see where I kind of messed up trying to flat iron it. So I had to make the part smaller because I made a crease with the flat iron. So right here, I'm just trying to get that crease out of there. I think I did pretty good. I just wanted to mainly get the area where the part is bone straight, so it can just look more natural and sleek. See, I kind of made a crease right there too, so I went even smaller and just flattened that area. I hope y'all enjoying this video so far. I gotta do more hair tutorials on here, cause I like doing my hair, especially a wig. I love it. So now you want to take your hot comb and you just want to hot comb that area too. I just like my wigs to be really flat, so I kind of just, you know, use different tools to get it as flat as possible. Right now I'm so tired, y'all. It is 1:50 a.m. and I got a lot that I need to do, so I'm about to go to sleep, because that's what I do. When I feel a lot of pressure with a lot of stuff I gotta do, I just shut down, you know. Best way to do it. Mental health matters. Alright, so that's what we're working with.
Lace.
Yeah, what lace? What lace? Period. Poo. So right here, I'm going in to pull out my baby hairs that I want. I kind of wanted to do dramatic baby hairs, like the 2 swoops, but kind of with a lot of baby hairs. So that's what I'm doing. Right here, I ran into where it was a little bit of the glue that had came through the lace, but it wasn't really bad. I just kind of pulled it off the hair. You know, just trying to maneuver around it. Nothing bad though. Now this changed my life. This wax stick or wax sticks period. Why nobody told me that wax sticks do this? Like, I was using mousse and spritz. I mean, not spritz, but got to be to like try to get this area like straight and stay in place. But the wax stick, y'all need to get y'all some wax stick. I'm gonna tag down below. I mean, I'm talking about tag. I guess tag the products. Put the products in my description box down below. So like the ghost bun and the wax sticks that I prefer. Yeah. If y'all want to know, y'all want to order one of these tools too, I could put that down there. It's just an eyebrow razor. Make it easier for y'all to just go straight through there and purchase the items you need. Right here, doing them baby hairs be a task and a half. Like, you gotta be a magician to get the perfect baby hairs, and I think I did pretty good though. So after I cut that, I did I curled my baby hairs with this curling iron I got. I know I see a lot of people using the flat irons, the real skinny flat irons, and I'm like, why not use this? So I bought me one of these instead, like, because when I went to the beauty supply store, I didn't even see the small flat iron, and this is what they had, and this is what I got, and it works amazing. Like, it might work better than the flat iron, because you don't got to worry about just holding it closed. And you see how curly those are? That's what you want. Usually I curl them under and not over, like how I did right here. I just be seeing a lot of people curl it this way, so I tried it. And I really prefer it to be curled under, because it's kind of hard to get them to form when you curl them up like this. So I'm about to just play around with them until I get them how I want them. I put some mousse on there. Yeah, I was tired. After I finish editing this video, I am knocking out because I can't take it. I'm sleepy. I'm just playing around with my baby hairs, trying to get them exactly how I want them. I really want them really swooped, so that's what I'm doing, trying to swoop them as much as possible. I really think this edge comb that I have, it ain't really getting the job done. The comb part is too spaced out. Like, I need a comb, a small comb that's like dense and have a lot of teeth on it, so that it can do right. But here we go. These are the finished results. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to see y'all in my next video. Yes, get into it. Bye.